Y'all, it's been a while since I feel like a wig has had a stock card that does not do the unit quite as much justice as it deserves. This wig, girl, girl. Hey friend, welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with a new unit from Sensationnel, honey, and as you can see, I popped out with a color. So this one is going to be from the Sensationnel What Lace collection. It's in the style Evadra and it's in the color Flamboyage Auburn. So for the cap construction on this one, you are going to get your two combs in the front as well as your comb in the back and your adjustable straps. This one does come with an adjustable elastic band and it does list itself as glueless. So this one does come pre-tweezed. It says it has smaller knots and you are going to get a 13x6 frontal area. So let me just come in real quick and show you guys the hairline on this one. I am wearing it glueless, so don't mind me if you see any bit of lifting or anything. I did opt to go and tweeze this one out because even though they do say that it's pre-plucked, pre-tweezed, whatever, I don't feel like the hairline was really doing it much justice. It looked just a little bit too perfect for me. I feel like it needed to have that natural sort of like zigzag situation going on to just give it more of a normal looking hairline. So I did go out, I did go in and pluck it some. I feel like I probably could have plucked it more, but I just didn't feel like doing way too much with this unit. But nonetheless, I feel like it is beautiful. But that's just something to note. If you do like a wig that looks more natural straight out of the box, you're probably going to want to go in and pluck this one out. Now, like I said, it is glueless, so as you can see, I don't have her adhered down. And if I was wearing this out, I would probably at least go and adhere it down on the side so that it's not flapping in the wind. But for the most part, I absolutely would say that this one is glueless. Now, as far as the cap size on this one, you guys, I'm definitely going to say that this one is small, medium, and big head friendly. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference. I went in and adjusted the adjustable elastic band pretty much like 3/4 of the way, and it's fitting my head perfectly. Like, I am absolutely loving this unit, you guys. As far as the texture on this one, it is giving yucky for sure. The texture is just beautiful. There's no silkiness in this whatsoever, which I absolutely love because you guys know that I'm a yucky girl for life. So I want to say it's more of a kinky yaxy texture, if it makes sense, and you can probably see the crinkles and stuff on the camera. They just did a phenomenal job with the texture, and look at the cut. You do get some layers going on in here. The density on it is definitely on the fuller side. I want to say it's sitting closer to like 170 to 180% density. So definitely for the girls that like the fuller hair. And the length on it, this wig, you guys, this is what I'm looking for when I'm looking for a wig, especially because y'all know I tend to go for my wigs that are really pretty, but I can also get away with wearing them every day. And I absolutely would say that this is one that you can get away with wearing every day, especially because I didn't get much tangling, I didn't get much shedding at all, and just the texture on it, because it's not overly yucky, but it's just yucky enough. It's perfect amount of yucky. I feel like this is going to be one that's going to be good to hold up for day to day. I could absolutely see myself wearing this every day for work if I want to go out and be cute, have a little lunch date, have a little, you know, like this unit is just beautiful. I didn't expect to like it as much just because I feel like nowadays I just have learned to taper my expectation when it comes to these new wigs dropping. So I didn't really have high hopes for this one. And I'm happy that I went into it with that mindset, because once I threw her on, honey, she's a go for me, especially because of the fact it really did not take too long at all to get her together. One of the things I did notice that, yes, this is from the What Lace collection, and because I am darker skinned, I tend to have an issue with the ashy lace on these units. Instead of my normal powder concealer from Juvia's, I went in with my liquid foundation to just blend that lace more, and I feel like it did a wonderful job. I'm probably going to start doing that more often, because typically I just go in with my liquid foundation underneath, and then on the top I go in with my powdered concealer. But I'm feeling the blend so much more with using the liquid foundation on top of the lace, you guys. This one is going to be heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I did go in and I just pressed the top of it, so I was getting rid of the humpiness. So let me just jump into my cons and pros of this unit. My only con that I can really say is I just wish the hairline was plucked a little bit more. Like I said, I feel like it was just too perfect, so I wish they did more of a natural kind of looking hairline and not just super rounded and very perfect Barbie doll hair plucked hairline, if that makes sense. And that's probably the only gripe that I have when it comes to this unit, because I feel like in every other aspect they hit all the marks. So when it comes to my pros on this unit, the color, y'all know I don't do color way too often, but this is one I could see myself wearing. This color is beautiful. It's like on the deeper auburn side, so if you're somebody who doesn't really like color, or you're afraid of color or whatever, I feel like you'll feel comfortable in this one. The color is beautiful. The texture is amazing. The density, the layers, the cut. Honey, this unit is it. This unit is absolutely it. This is going to be one of my favorite units of the year, absolutely, hands down. I feel like Sensationnel surprised me with this one, and this is absolutely what I would buy again. Like, they did their thing. Even if I had to put the work in and pluck the hairline even more to make it look more to my liking, I absolutely feel like this is worth the work, because it's really not too much of work. I feel like this one is absolutely going to be beginner friendly as well. Sensationnel, take notes from yourself and keep coming with units like this. Just work on the hairline a little bit, honey, because this unit is doing it for me. And I feel like you guys will not be disappointed if you pick this one up. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up at any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.